This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Pi Striker. Beautifully remodeled from top to bottom. This fully restored home features new vinyl walnut-rich flooring, fresh interior paint and fine finishes. The updated master bath holds an extra deep soaking tub, a vessel sink and separate shower. The kitchen features energy-efficient appliances, solid surface countertops and country kitchen sink are just some of the carefully considered upgrades that shine throughout the home. The high ceilings in the living room make the entire area light, airy and expansive. With a fully fenced yard in a quiet neighborhood and just minutes from the lake, this property is a great starter home or perfect retirement retreat. For more information, review the details below or contact Pi Striker at 707-928-6900.